My name's Victoria. I did Food and Preparation Level 2 work-based apprenticeship, and I am the winner of the Hospitality Apprenticeship Award. I did my apprenticeship at Myddleton College in Denbighshire, and I'm still there now. It was my manager who suggested that I did that, and once I found out the information and it slotted in with work and home life, it was the easy route for me to take. I've always loved cooking food at home from scratch and stuff, so it's like once I got this job there, I found that's my little sort of niche, so I quite enjoyed it. From putting me through an apprenticeship, my employer gained an extra employee that's qualified, and it strengthens the team of the kitchen. My training assessor, Antonia Kay, supported me lots. She had all the time in the world for me. If I emailed, she got back to me as soon as she can and helped me with everything if there was any issues. The best thing about me doing the apprenticeship was it didn't feel like I was doing a college course or anything alongside working, because it's what I enjoyed doing. The main thing I've gained since doing the apprenticeship is a lot more confidence within myself and my abilities. My next step for the future now is I've just enrolled on level 3 course, and hopefully get that qualified and done and see what happens then.